Namaskar and welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, today I'm going to show my United Nations banknote collection. It's more than 150 countries are in this collection, which I have collected for like a long time. There is a lot of banknotes, countries banknotes are still missing in this collection, so I just kept like white papers like this, so in hope that someday in future I'll be able to collect them. So without waiting, let's go into my collection. I'll say the country's name during this thing, and if you have any of them and if you like the design or something, you can comment it below, and also do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not be missing such interesting kind of videos from the channel. So without waiting much, let's start. So the first one is from Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. These are the backside. I don't have Andorra, Angola, Antigua and Bermuda I don't have. Argentina, Armenia, Australia. The Australian one is the polymer one. Austria, it's the first series of Austria, print over the Austrian-Hungarian one. The Azerbaijan, Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belgium, Belize, Benin. So Benin that you see there is actually the African franc, Central African franc, Benin version. So how do you know it's the Benin version is from this particular letter on the top? So the version is, it's the Central African franc Benin version. Benin also have its own banknote, but it's not that easily available, so I just kept this as a representation of the Benin. Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, another like country which is not that easily available. Burundi, Cape Verde. The Cape Verde is available, I'm just trying to procure it now. Cambodia, Cameroon also available, trying to procure now. Canada, Central African Republic. So I said like the Central African franc has a replacement, like the countries come up with their own note. So this is the kind of note they come with. So this is the Central African banknote. Chad, also an African country, I'm trying to procure it. Chile, China, Colombia, Comoros, I'm trying to procure it, it's also available easily. Congo, Democratic Republic, Republic of Congo. This is a West African franc coming. The way that you can know which country's version is this is again through this letter here. So T represent in this series the Congo. Costa Rica, Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, I just don't have the another sticker, so I just put the Ivory Coast one. Again A represent Ivory Coast. Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Djibouti, Dominican Republic, it's also polymer. East Timor. So East Timor haven't came up with their own banknote. They use the United States dollar as their currency. Before that it was a Portuguese colony, so then they used the Portuguese Timor version, but since they are using this only, I'm just keeping the US dollar for representing the country. Now let's move forward. Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea. Equatorial Guinea I don't have it, so I just kept the white sheet there. Estonia, Ethiopia, Fiji, Finland, France, Gabon, Gambia. Gabon also I don't have. Georgia, German. So it's a German Emperor version. The Federal Republic version is also available. I'm just trying to procure it, but for the time being I am keeping the Emperor version one. Ghana, Greece, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea-Bissau, Ghana, Haiti, Honduras, Hungary, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Ireland. Ireland also have its own version. I'm trying to procure that also. It's not that cheap. It's a bit costly, so I'm trying to procure that as soon as possible. Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, then Korea North, Korea South, Kiribati. Kiribati don't have their own. They're using the Australian currencies. I'm trying to get another Australian banknote to keep it in the Kiribati section. Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, North Macedonia, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mali and Malta I don't have. I hope I'll get them. Marshall Island, they also use the US dollar. I'll keep another one there. For the time being, I'm just keeping the white paper. Mauritania, Mauritius, Mexico, Micronesia also use US dollar. They don't have their own currency. Moldova, Monaco, Mongolia, Montenegro, Morocco. I don't have the Morocco, so I'm just keeping the white paper. Mozambique, Myanmar, Namibia, Nauru. They also use Australian currency. I'll try to get another one for Nauru also. Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand I don't have. Nicaragua, Niger I don't have. Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, again US dollar. Panama, they also use US dollar, but Panama's note is there. It's quite very rare. Hopefully I'll get it in future. Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, Samoa, San Marino, South Oman Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal represented by the K, Serbia, Seychelles, Ceylon, Singapore, Slovenia, Slovenia, Solomon Islands, Somalia, South Africa, South Sudan, Spain, Sri Lanka, and the Caribbean islands of St. Kitts, St. Lucia and St. Vincent I don't have. Sudan, Suriname, Swaziland I don't have. Sweden, Switzerland again costly, but hopefully get in future. Syria, Tajikistan, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tonga, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia I don't have. Turkey, Turkmenistan, Tuvalu I don't have. Australian they are using, so I'll keep one. Uganda, Ukraine, UAE, United Kingdom, USA, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yemen, Zambia, and finally the Zimbabwe. So this is my collection of United Nations members banknote. I hope you like my collection. I would really like to know what you think about it, which all are there in your collection, and which was your favorite one also. So make sure that you comment that in the comment section, and do subscribe to the channel to get more interesting videos related to coins and currencies around the world. So till meeting with a new video on a different topic. Bye bye.